Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Freshtec Duvalay sleeping bag. So if you're new to caravanning, you probably may or may not have heard of Duvalay. Duvalay are a UK company, they're based in Yorkshire. It was set up 20 years ago by a husband and wife team who were caravanners, and they were fed up of getting a restless night's sleep on the quality of the mattresses and also the bedding that they got when they were away. So they founded Duvalay, and it's their 20th anniversary this year. Now, if you've got a Swift from say 2013 onwards, you've probably already got a Duvalay product, and that is their mattress, because all caravans by Swift are supplied with Duvalay mattresses. So let's get this out of the bag and we'll take a look at what we've got. So straight out to the bag, what I like, it's got these retaining straps, so once you've rolled it up and you've got it nice and neat, put the straps on and it's nice and safe and secure, and it's not going to unfold on you, and it makes it easier to store. Now if you purchase this, you can, as an optional extra purchase, a bag like this one, and that will fit your Duvalay sleeping bag in perfectly, keep it nice and clean and store it out of the way. So what sets a Duvalay mattress apart from the competition that you can buy from a camping shop or caravan accessory shop? Well, one thing for a start is this. If you unzip this bottom zip here, we have a memory foam mattress inside. Now there's two different thicknesses to this, and this is also in a zippable bag as well, so this can be washed, as well as the sleeping bag cover, and also, if you choose to, the duvet which is inside the actual main sleeping bag, which I'll show you in a minute. So that's going to give you a lot more comfort when you're actually trying to sleep. And this is the Freshtec, so basically the design that they've made for the memory foam on this, it allows the air to circulate through, and it keeps you cool, and it allows it to breathe as well. So you're not going to get sweaty nights in bed, hopefully. You're just going to end up with a nice pleasant night's sleep. And that's the way they've designed this. Let's take a look at it some more. So with a conventional sleeping bag, you either have a zip up the middle or one around the side. And this can be quite restrictive when you're trying to sleep, especially if you're a restless sleeper, like we know Alfie is. So what they've done is eliminate the zip altogether, and attached to the actual memory foam mattress is this duvet. Now this is bigger than what I'm showing you because it does extend out like so, and it's like a full single-sized duvet. And like I say, if you're restless, it'll give you the freedom to move and help you have a decent night's sleep. So that's the basic explanation of what a Duvalay sleeping bag is. Now, the best person to test this is going to be Alfie. And the reason why we've chosen Alfie to test it, apart from ourselves, is one, he gets very hot, and two, he's a very restless sleeper. And sometimes that wakes us up. So this is going to be ideal. He's staying with us up in North Cumbria for a few days soon, and we're going to get him to test it. So we'll head on up to Cumbria now, and we'll join Alfie with the Duvalay sleeping bag. Well folks, we're now up in sunny Cumbria, and we've been here for quite a long weekend actually, and Alfie joined us a few days ago, and he's been testing out the Duvalay Freshtec sleeping bag for us. So we're going to ask him a few questions. Say hello.
Hello.
So, did you find it comfortable?
Yes.
Alright. Did it keep you cooler at night? Bearing in mind it's been very hot, hasn't it?
Yes, it has.
Good. Now, what was it like to move around in? Because you move around a lot, don't you?
It was a struggle on the bit that attached.
Right. But you had a lot more freedom on the other side?
Yeah.
Well, that's going to happen, isn't it? Because it's attached, yeah? But did you find it easy to sleep in than what you've normally slept on?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. A teenager can't be that wrong. So, you can get this in many colours. Duvalay have a variety that you can choose from. And as we've discussed before, there's different togs. This is the 4.5. And in this weather, it's been ideal, as Alfie's just explained. Now, we find this easy to put up and down, don't we?
Yeah.
Grandad did set it up very quickly, didn't he, for you?
Yeah.
And we store it underneath here, underneath this bench, and it fits fine. It doesn't stick out or cause an issue. It's very simple and it stores very easily. Now, if you would be interested in either the Freshtec or some of the other products that Duvalay actually make and supply, please click the link below. But in the meantime, thank you very much from Alfie and me. Bye for now. So the Duvalay's back in its bag and it's ready to be transported, and this is what I like. Just sit it there nice and neatly, and there you go. It's out the way and you're not going to be tripping over it all day. Perfect place to store it.